What's up, my loved ones and others? It's freaking Craft Guy Peter here, dude. Back again. We finally got the green screen budget squared away, dude. Freaking production value off the chain. It's look, there's no chains in sight, and it looks like I'm outside, doesn't it? It's very believable, dude.
Hello, Donovan. It's 5 minutes. 5 Minecraft Peter here. Dude, feeling fresh. I'm outside, as you can tell. God, it feels good to be a gangster.
Freaking got all me freaking craft supplies back here, and gosh dang it, I'm ready to get back on the saddle, so to speak.
Hey there, guy. How's it going there, guy? My name is Lonnie. I have a mustache today. This is my orange. He has a mustache today. A strapping young lad, if I've ever seen one. This is a lad I could be strapped in with and feel like the straps are working because it's so strapping, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, though. You know what I'm saying. Don't play hard to get. Don't play hard to knock around with my elbow. Today we're bumping elbows with some gentlemen over at 5 Minute Crafts. Yet again, the channel that keeps on giving. Did you guys know I do all the sound design for these videos myself? That's right, boys. Strap in for some more gosh dang original content. I'm sorry. I won't ever say a bad word like that in front of my child again. That'll be the new censor beat for this video. So 5 Minute Crafts, though. More like 5 Minute Crap. Got him. I'm sorry, my son. Today we're trying some life hacks from a video called 20 billion things unbelievable that you just didn't realize because you're dumb. Because you're dumber than us, because you're dumb. You're too dumb. 29 things we do wrong every day. Every day, dude. Keep in mind, every day. Not a day goes by where I don't f one of these 29 specific things up. I tell you what. Do you think one of the things is not having an ugly mustache? Because I'm screwing that up right as we speak. My buffoonerism knows no bounds. I'll do anything in a stupid way if you let me. So the first thing that's perturbing me about this video in specific is the thumbnail, because it shows a guy sitting on the toilet. He says, no, you're doing it wrong, you stupid dumb. And there's a guy sitting on the toilet a little weirder with a little check mark. And this isn't in the video. They don't do this in the video. No one sits on a single toilet in the video unless they were doing it out of frame. In which case, I don't care because I learned nothing, and that's what I'm here for. Let's freaking try it anyway.
Drop it low, girl.
So the freaking meme that they're going for is that you are not supposed to sit on the toilet with good posture like a gosh dang Neanderthal. That's gonna be a red X from me, boys. Instead, you want to sit like a gentleman would on the pot and make your body into a 35-degree angle for no reason other than it's fun and it's better for you. Are you taking notes, son? I think you could even put them up here if you want. I think you could achieve the same result. What I'm trying to say is the direction doesn't matter as long as your body's bent stupidly. See, this is how you get a green check mark, baby.
What am I doing with my life?
You know, I actually think you could do this in most situations. I feel like if you're driving, you should really be at a 35-degree angle. I feel like 35-degree angles in and of themselves are just helpful. You know, why put all your eggs in one basket if you got multiple baskets? You know what I'm saying? I can't change gears like this because I can't reach the pedals, but I feel like it could work. Let's go, son. Quit screwing around.
Here's how some non-woke freaking degenerate puts earbuds in. Oh God, oh God, oh, I hear everything so clearly and perfectly, but I can't live with myself, dude, the shame. Oh, it's too much. And here's how some handsome, suave guy who gets ladies puts headphones in. Around the river and through the woods to That's weird, it didn't work as smoothly as it usually. Okay, around the world in 80 days starring Jackie Chan, and then you just shut. This is the wrong ear now because I didn't anticipate. I did it wrong. Left one now goes in the right ear. Around the world of around Jackie Chan's world, he makes the rules. We're just living in it. And oh yeah, that's so much better, dude. It's so different. Therefore, better in some way because it's possible. Therefore, I mean, they would have made it impossible if they didn't intend for us to do it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like this is what the government doesn't want us to do. But I think we could do more. Think about it, dude. JFK, Gandhi, chemtrails, and tinfoil. Why would you mess up your hair putting headphones on your head when you could just as easily, if not more, mess up your beard by putting headphones on your head, dude? Freaking works just the same, dude. Just work. The government's corrupt. Sound the we know too much. Alright, someone's gonna have to explain this one to me. No, they're not, because I'm a genius. This one's a freaking double whammy of things that we're not supposed to do every single day of our lives. Because on one hand, freaking who actually takes the time to specifically clean our phone screens? We probably are talking into all kinds of dirt and grime. I have a freaking missed call from nobody. I have no friends. No friends, but doing 5 minute crafts at home. Coincidence? Anyway, now that my phone's freaking nice and clean, I can live the way that King would. Because these are things that we're doing wrong every day. But also, let's run that footage back one more again.
And now my clip. I think the real thing we're not supposed to be freaking doing every day is littering, gosh dang it. I need to find a trash receptacle on the life hacked. Taking a walk like I do every day. Oh, dang it, dude. God. Fuck, dude. Oh, no. What? Oh, clumsy me. What have I done?
We can fix this.
Loop-de-loop and pull. And now your shoes are looking cool. And now I can charge my nothing. You guys might not believe this, but we actually have got our hands on some real live from the field footage of some jackass sticking a sticky note to the wall from freaking with the sticky part first. Let's roll the clip. Oh my God. First of all, what is that brand of sticky note? Because I gotta get me some of those, brother. Now let's freaking watch how a real man would stick it to the wall with his hand, not on the sticky part. You don't want it to get stuck to you or something, you know? It happens to some people. You might not think that it would, but believe it or not, Ripley's believe it or not, it does. And it can to you. We're here to protect you from yourself. You're welcome. Alright boys, I know I can come off as freaking kind of sassy and sarcastic when I'm making these videos. That's just because I want it to be funny, you know, and lighthearted and have a good time. But they've actually outdone themselves this time. This one's actually useful because if you're freaking stupid like me, yeah, I can never get the tape off the thing like that. I'm using a safety pin instead of a paper clip, but I feel like it's the exact same thing, right? So you're just gonna put this little hard piece here, and then you're gonna tape it over. Okay. See, this is actually dope, because now, obviously, it's not gonna be stuck anymore, which is freaking awesome. I'm really looking forward to that green check mark, dude. I'm freaking excited. So then you just take it, you can pull it off whenever you want, and then when you need a piece of tape, and then make sure bonus points if you can't get your paper clip back out. Computer. Duck call. Lights. Camera. Action. Desk. Baby boy. Hey, mannequin everyone always asks about. Stupid. You just bought a label maker, dog. You didn't hack your life. But the joke's on me, because at least now I'll never lose anything that I cared about, because I labeled everything that I care about. Everything that's not labeled, I don't care about. How can I make this more clear? Alright, as stupid as this one seems to be, I do freaking love me some coffee, boys, so I'm excited to do anything that lets me have another excuse to have a 5th cup today. Okay, let's do it. So as I would do in my everyday life, you take your little packet of sugar and you rip it open from one side like an idiot. Then you pour it in the coffee. Yum, yum, yum. I can't wait to enjoy a sweeter beverage than before I put the sugar in. Okay, but no. Shh, it's okay. We have crafts. Rip it in the middle, because there are only 24 hours in the goddamn day, and I'm looking out for you. I'd hate to see you not spill the sugar from both sides, therefore saving minutes over the time span of your life, probably. That you got that, it's guaranteed. It's not. It's from me, though. I'm looking out, don't worry, guys. Also, just this is a little life hack that I made up. You also want to make sure your sugar is not red pepper beforehand, because it does put a damper on the whole entire beverage. This one's for all the boys at home who love baking, but have no freaking intention of ever getting good at it. And I said baking, not bacon, sorry. Oh, you burnt the little bottom of a cook? What is a lad to do? I'm not gonna eat this crispy boy. Fret not, because we got cheese grater. You could also just use a butter knife and scrape it off, but also, this isn't my cheese grater, so I mean, no one better be snitching. I don't have cookies, but I have Toll House Originals. Guess we're just gonna take this boy, get him nice and cooked. I actually don't know if a cracker will burn. Oh yeah, we're good. You think crackers are flammable? Oh yeah, now we're cooking with gas. No, we're not, we're cooking with a lighter. Oh no, what a travesty. I am going to be so embarrassed at the bake sale this week. Oh, but fret not. You wanna take your burn side down and you wanna just give it a, oh, it's still hot a little. Maybe we'll give it a little. Actually smells kind of good, dude. Oh yeah. That's the ticket, Willy Wonka. You're going to the chocolate factory, which makes a lot of sense because you work there. Okay, grind it a little too hard, but check that out. If that doesn't look moderately better, I don't know what does, do you? Still tastes burnt. I feel like this knife has gotten a lot more use since our house became a freaking craft YouTuber house. You're doing crafts?
I'm doing crafts.
What the hell?
I'm doing crafts too.
What are the odds?
crafts.
Well, have fun doing crafts. I'm gonna do my crafts.
Have fun. I'm gonna do my crafts while you do your crafts.
It's also great for intimidation purposes. Listen, guy! I swear to God, if I ever freaking see you on my block in the street cutting an orange like this. We're gonna have a problem. Let's just leave it at that. I don't ever want to see you struggling to peel an orange with your own stupid Neanderthal hands, all right? My father was an orange, okay? My son is an orange. I am an orange, I think. By that logic, it's never occurred to me. Son, why didn't you tell me? All right, baby boy, you gotta take your name tag off. We know who you were, but it's not who you are anymore. They cut it in the middle, just like so. Should we do it with the, there you go, it's real squirt. Oh my God, my son. You know, I should really probably have more feelings about me cutting my son open on camera, but I just don't for some reason. I've never claimed to be father of the year or anything. Just trying to give my children a slightly better life than I had. That's really all my parents want for me, and that's all that I want. I don't aspire to do better. Cannot cut through his mustache. He's got it just like his old man. We got strong stashes in this family. All right, well, we're freaking, I should probably hit the gym a little more often. Maybe I think I cut it the wrong way. So they just like kind of reached around, like pushed their stupid hand in the skin. But I guess if you're not using this, like, I don't want it to go to waste, you know. Okay, there we, that looks good. This isn't particularly striking me as very easy or that it's working at all, but it is striking me with an awful lot of juice. I got one juicy son, I'll give him that. Yeah, dog, this isn't easy at all, but it is working, sort of. I mean, I got this is kind of just more like the first one, though. I'm struggling. It definitely didn't come off in one foul swoop. Frickin' Jesus, dude. All right, this side is just giving, there's so much juice. I drink a seed. God, dude, what? You must have got this juice from your mother. This is no juice of mine. God dang it, dude. And just like that, you too could have a beautifully sliced okay. My son is delicious.
Are you still watching?
Sorry, that was my impression of Netflix. All right, so the key to this next one is you really just cut the strawberry right on top like this, and then I'm so embarrassed, dude. You freaking put an egg on my face. Why waste time with your pesky intimidation knife when you could use your freaking slightly less intimidating straw succular device? Then instead of cutting that off, you could just freaking shove it right on through. I've never freaking tried. Oh, it kind of worked. I got 2 little leaves left over. I feel like that could be a fluke. Let's try this one. This one looks like a good boy who's ready to pop off. You know what I'm saying? Okay, this, go, right on through. You really got to get it right in the middle or it doesn't work at all. There, come on, yeah, oh. Still got, freaking, what the heck, man? There's always got, she loves me. She loves me not. Oh, I should have seen this coming. What in God's name is this? What is that, dude? That's freaking, what is inside, what is going on inside a strawberry? See right down to the other side, my captain. Do you see me? Hold it steady, hold it steady. Okay, well, that didn't work at all. You got a whole freaking garden left up there. I'd like to report back to the chief that it would appear to my, according to my calculations, this ain't it. You got me a mean shish kaboob now, though. Well, here's the real life hack, is you don't freaking stick it all the way through, dude. That defeats the point. And you just freaking, it's already growing out of there, dude. It's already, ew. It's like there's a whole separate mechanism going on in there. Oh, that's just the straw. Stick it in any which way you want and you just drink it. Oh, silly old me, we gotta get the chunks out. But that's not working either. Oh, I'm gonna pop my lungs, oh God. Now you could put these in your brother's bed and freak them out a little, because they look like, actually this one just looks like a little tree. Straws solve everything. And I know what you're thinking. No, they don't. And to that I say, I have the knife. Oh, you right. And that's how you win an argument. Life hacks. Bought these Ziplocs just for the occasion. Young Ziploc bag, which is also my rapper name. A bunch of apples. Pre-sliced, of course, because I can't be trusted with this. Well, beggars can't be beggars, because that would be stupid and obvious and redundant. Okay, this is why I'm not allowed to do things. I've been bested by this box of apples. Listen, if a simpleton like me can do it, there's just hope for you guys yet. Here's an example of what not to do. Oh my goodness, I'm having such a good time being ignorant and just putting my apples in a bag, as I always do, because I'm dumb. What can I say? Doesn't get much duller than me out here in dumb old stupid Texas. There's been nothing done wrong quite yet, but the problem comes when you zip the lock. And then what do you have? You thought you had a bag of apples, and it appears to me you got a bag of air with some apples in it, bud. Straws solve everything. 200 IQ, zip it up this far. Stick your straw in there. Take a sip. God dang it, I need a new freaking straw. This one's all strawberried up still. So hard to find good help these days. That's a delicious serving of oxygen that I just got there. And now my apples are fresher than ever, except for before we cut them, but we're not here for that. I don't know about you guys, but I don't want freaking dirty freaking oxygen air touching my snacks. Not until I'm good and ready. You drive a hard bargain, but you don't, and also I'm not one for bargaining, and also you need a license to drive that hard bargain. Can I see some identification, sir? It's me, guys, the intimidation guy with the knife again. You recognize me from the clips where I intimidated you with a knife. If I ever see you making a Sammy like Lonnie, it's Lonnie in the video. He's the one making the Sammy. Oh my God, that's just. I think I'm gonna be sick. What monster would do such a thing? Did you see that man place his meat on the sandwich in such a way that everyone in the world does? It freaking ew, dude, what is wrong with you? We are a house of artists here at 5 Minute Crafts, all right? We take some freaking pride in our lives. We go all in, or we go home. We go all in. We just go all in. Honestly, there's only one option. This isn't multiple choice, dude. Freaking fold your meat into some sort of creative art project. Think of it like origami, but instead of paper crafting, we're freaking meat crafting, dude, which is obviously so much better, dude. This is exactly what the doctor ordered, and I'm the doctor, you know what I'm saying? Strawberry a day keeps me away, and isn't that something that we're all trying to do? Now that I have you right where I have you, the only thing that I don't love about this particular hack is that they don't show you the steps. Like in all good origami, you gotta give me the instructions, dude. How am I a man? I just freaking, it's like sculptors where they just look at the marble and they're like, I can see the image inside of it. I can see what I want this wad of meat to be, but all I hear is. And quite honestly, I can't focus with all that wet noise. I'm not gonna lie, dude, I do know how to make an origami swan. Start with a square, or at least square-ish, like so. Take the front and fold it like this, like you're making a paper airplane. Then you fold it over again in the same way, in the same general way, until you have this triangle shape. Sorry, the meat's not exactly holding its shape, so I have to kind of get my fingers out of the way. See, there you go. You want to do 2 folds, flip it over, bend the top to the back. This is gonna be your swan's neck. And then just bend the little face forward. And then there you freaking go. It's a very easy to remember, very easy to accomplish, and it's beautiful. And it's beautiful to boot. This is how I became a doctor. I don't know why I did that. My favorite 5 Minute Craft is the one where they pour the cereal and they put it in the bowl. To show you it's a little bit too hard because it just doesn't come out sometimes. So, because mostly because of this part, but I mean, then they go and they get the pizza. They take the pizza and they put it on top of the cereal, and then the milk just comes right out, and then it doesn't spill everywhere because the freaking pizza is taking all the impact. So it's like you just got this good old little system going on where you just pour all the milk, and then it goes right in the cereal, and then you got 2 snacks to snack upon, rootin' tootin' partners. Thank you guys for watching another fun, rousing installment of 5 Minute Fun Time. In this episode, we folded meat and I ate my son. It's been a long, hard day on the job. I'd like to thank my mom, my depression, everything that got me here, and mostly all of you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, it helps me out a lot, and I always appreciate it. You guys are the freaking best. Let me know in the comments if I should shave my facial hair or not, because I'm indecisive. Thanks for watching.